Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a royal apple punch. Very tasty cocktail. As always, I'm gonna leave the recipe in the descriptions for you, as well as links for some of my products. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need ground apple, Midori, lemonade, pineapple juice, and apple juice. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice to mixing glass. Two ounces of lemonade, one ounce of pineapple juice, one ounce of apple juice, half ounce of Midori, and 2 ounces of ground apple. Ready to shake it. Fresh ice. Strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Alright, let's give it a try. Cheers! Definitely, I can taste the apple. Not as strong and not too sweet. It's perfectly balanced. I'll give it 8.7 out of 10. And that's how you make the Royal Apple Punch. Alright, if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!